Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add admins to your Facebook page. First of all, open your Facebook app or website. Open the Facebook page. Then click on Professional Dashboard. Now click Page Access. Choose Full Control. If you want to make them an admin, then tap Give Access or click Add New, then Next. Enter their name or email, then tap Give Access. You will need to enter your password to confirm. The person will get a notification or email once they accept they are officially an admin. That's it. You have added a new admin. Follow for more and see you soon.